In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a stunning 3D text effect in Canva. Whether you're designing for social media, a personal project, or a professional presentation, adding a 3D text effect can really make your design pop. Let's dive in and see how this is done in a few simple steps. First, you need to head over to Canva's website. If you're not familiar, Canva is an incredibly user-friendly online tool for creating designs of all kinds. With lots of preset templates and an easy drag-and-drop interface, it's perfect for both beginners and seasoned designers. Once you're on the Yacht Canva homepage, log into your account. If you don't have one yet, setting it up is free and only takes a moment. Now, once you're logged in, look for the Create button. This is your gateway to starting a new design project. Click on it, and you'll be prompted to choose what type of design you'd like to work on. Canva offers plenty of options, from social media posts to flyers and more. For today's tutorial, let's go with an Instagram post, which is a square format of 4:5 ratio. This is a great size for practicing and gives you a feel for how your text will look in the digital space. With your design canvas ready, it's time to start building your text effect. Click on the Elements tab on the left-hand side of your screen. In the search bar, type in 3D letters. Canva will provide you with a variety of options to choose from, including graphics, frames, photos, and even videos. This is where your creativity can shine. Browse through the different styles and pick the ones that best fit the aesthetic you're going for. Once you've found your 3D letters, simply click to add them to your canvas. You can adjust the size by clicking and dragging on the corner of each letter, allowing you to scale them to the perfect size for your design. Experiment here with position and size until the lettering looks just right to you. Finally, to finish your project, simply click on Share and select the Download option. Canva will allow you to choose from several file types, depending on your needs, whether it's for digital or print use. Your 3D text design is now ready to be shared with the world. And there you have it, a quick and easy way to add a 3D text effect using Canva. With this simple technique, you can elevate your designs and grab your audience's attention. So go ahead, try it out, and unleash your creativity. Thank you for joining me today, and happy designing.